Day 335 meditation on monasticism and priesthood. Certain people will think that my view on this is selfish. I am not so sure. People get married for their own benefit, not that of others, and they often fail to meet even this limited objective. As for those who take vow of celibacy, like Christian nuns and monks, they can devote themselves entirely to helping others and to caring for the sick. I am thinking of Mother Teresa, who had no husband or children, no family ties, and who dedicated all of her time to the poor. With a family, this is much more difficult. Even then, the will is there. There is the housework to do, the children to take to school, and all the rest. Words to meditate on.